There's one superfood that's been shown to help women over 60 rebuild leg strength, improve balance, and reduce stiffness, sometimes in just days. It's not some new pill. It's not a trend. And no, it's not just about protein. This natural, collagen-rich compound has been studied in postmenopausal women, and the results are remarkable. Improved walking speed, better joint comfort, and noticeable leg strength gains in as little as 10 days. So what is it? Hydrolyzed collagen peptides, especially when paired with vitamin C and taken daily. Now, if you've already tried collagen and didn't notice a difference, don't worry. Most women are using the wrong kind, at the wrong dose, or expecting results in the wrong areas. Because collagen isn't just for skin. It's what helps hold your muscles, joints, and connective tissues together, especially in your legs. And without it, your lower body loses more than just tone. It loses function. Coming up, I'll show you how collagen specifically affects your legs, how to use it properly, and why the type you take matters more than you've been told. So let's break this down. Collagen isn't just a beauty buzzword, it's structural. It makes up a huge portion of your connective tissue. And after 60, your natural collagen levels begin dropping faster than most women realize, by as much as 30% every decade. What does that mean for your legs? Let's start with the tendons, the ropes that connect your muscles to your bones. Without enough collagen, tendons become less elastic, less responsive, and more prone to micro tears. That means simple daily movements, walking, standing up, carrying groceries, become harder and riskier over time. Then there's the fascia, the soft tissue that wraps around your muscles like a protective sleeve. Collagen is a major component of that too. As collagen declines, the fascia stiffens and tightens, restricting movement and making your legs feel less coordinated and more fatigued. And we haven't even talked about cartilage yet, the cushioning between your joints. That's mostly collagen too. And when cartilage breaks down, so does the comfort and stability in your knees and hips. That creaky feeling, that aching at night? Often it's collagen depletion at the root. But here's the good news. Studies show that when older women supplement with the right type of collagen, specifically hydrolyzed collagen peptides, many experience measurable improvements in leg strength, walking speed, and joint comfort in as little as 7 to 10 days. That's because hydrolyzed collagen is already broken down into smaller chains called peptides. These peptides are easily absorbed into your bloodstream and delivered directly to tissues like muscle, joint cartilage, and skin. And when your body recognizes these amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline in particular, it uses them to stimulate collagen production right where you need it most. If you find this kind of breakdown helpful, clear, science-backed, and made specifically for women over 60, you might want to subscribe. Each week, we share simple, powerful ways to help you move better, feel stronger, and age on your own terms. But you can't just take any collagen and expect fast results. Coming up, I'll walk you through the 3 keys to making collagen work: the timing, the pairing, and the dosage. And a few crucial mistakes most women don't even realize they're making. So, how do you actually make collagen work for your legs? Let's start with timing. Collagen supplements are best taken on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning or 30 to 60 minutes before exercise. Why? Because this is when your body is most ready to absorb and deliver nutrients to your connective tissues. Think of it like setting the stage. Your cells are alert, blood flow is active, and collagen peptides have a direct pathway to the areas that need them most. Next, pair it with vitamin C. This part is essential, because without vitamin C, your body can't build new collagen. Collagen synthesis relies on a chemical process called hydroxylation. which literally won't happen if you're low on vitamin C. That's why you often see collagen powders combined with citrus bioflavonoids or ascorbic acid. But even a small glass of orange juice, a handful of berries, or a squeeze of lemon water can do the trick. Now, let's talk about dosage. Many women underdose, thinking a scoop here or there will do something magical. But clinical studies showing real results, especially for joint and leg support, use 10 to 15 grams per day of hydrolyzed collagen peptides, not marine collagen, not collagen creamer. The studies used bovine collagen, which contains type 1 and type 3, the kinds most critical for joint integrity, muscle sheath, and skin structure. And here's where it gets even more interesting. When combined with light resistance training, even just bodyweight squats or step-ups at home, collagen has been shown to accelerate muscle recovery, support new lean tissue, and even reduce exercise-related soreness. In other words, it doesn't just help your legs feel better, it helps them function better. So if you've been feeling like your legs don't bounce back the way they used to, after gardening, cleaning, or even walking, this may be your missing link. But here's the kicker. Most women never feel these benefits because they're doing everything right, except one tiny thing wrong. And that's what we'll cover next, plus the 2 easiest ways to know it's working. So, what's the most common mistake women make when trying collagen? Inconsistency. It's not the product, it's not your age, it's not your metabolism. It's just that collagen doesn't work like a painkiller. You don't feel it in 20 minutes. You feel it after a week of steady use, when your legs stop aching as much, when you realize you haven't needed to sit down quite so often, or when you notice yourself getting up from a chair without bracing first. This isn't about overnight miracles, but it is about overnight repair, because the real work happens while you sleep, when your body sends those peptides to your joints, fascia, tendons, and muscles, and starts rebuilding the scaffolding you've quietly been missing. And how will you know it's working? There are 2 signs to look for. First, your legs may feel less stiff first thing in the morning. That creaky sensation, the slow warm-up when you get out of bed. For many women, that's the first thing to fade. Second, you'll notice you feel stronger, not in a dramatic bodybuilder way, but in the quiet confidence that comes from climbing stairs without gripping the railing, or walking farther than usual without thinking about it. These shifts can begin in as little as 7 to 10 days. If the collagen is right, the dose is consistent, and your body is getting what it needs to rebuild. And if you're pairing that with gentle leg movement, even just 10 minutes a day, you're not just preserving strength, you're regenerating it. Because here's the truth, your legs aren't gone. They're just waiting to be supported. And when you give your body the right tools, something shifts. Maybe not all at once, but quietly, steadily, and sometimes faster than you think. If this video gave you a little clarity, or helped you feel even a bit more hopeful, I'd truly love to hear from you. Leave a comment and let me know what spoke to you. I read everyone, and if this kind of clear, practical health advice is something you want more of, feel free to tap the like button or subscribe. It's a simple way to stay connected and to make sure you don't miss what's coming next. Speaking of which, there's another health video waiting for you right on the screen. Whenever you're ready, give it a watch. You never know. One idea might be all it takes to change how you feel this week, because you deserve to feel strong from the ground up.